What's good, everybody? This is ETG, and happy birthday to me. What I got in this box right here, I just got it from UPS, is a brand new Legion Go. Well, actually, it's used. But anyway, the reason why I buy them used is usually when the new tech come out, a lot of people got issues with it, they complain, and they send it back to the store. So that's when I can sweep in and get it for the cheap. So I just got it again from UPS. This is the big old box it comes in. It's kind of weird, but let's just open it and see what it looks like. And again, I bought it in excellent condition from the Best Buy website for a very low price. So let us open up the big box and see what we're getting. Oh snap! Look at the box. This box is big. Crap. And I like the design on the box. You see the LEG. Let me see if you spell it all the way out. It doesn't spell all the way out. Yeah, it does. On the side, ION. On the top, LEG. Side, ION. Legion. That's tight. You can see right here from Best Buy, excellent condition. Boom. So you got the Best Buy seal tape right here. Let's go open this bad boy, see what it looks like. Yeah. So that's one little trick. New tech, a lot of people always complain when new techs come up because they say, okay, it's not functioning right, got loading issues, all sort of blah blah blah, yada yada yada. People gonna get frustrated because nobody want to be patient no more. So that's the perfect opportunity for anybody to sweep in and get the tech that they want on the cheap. And this model right here I'm unboxing is the 1 TB version, and I got it for the cheap. So again, this is a nice shiny box, and it's huge. Darn, it is huge. Oh dang. So let us go ahead and open this up some more. I got more tape to break. And for those that may have the Legion Go already, leave your comments, tell me what you think about it so far. All right, so whoever had this before, look like they take good care of it. All right, so this is a box right here. This is a nice sleeve. That looks nice. I like this. Let's see what else comes inside the box. Comes with the manual. Let's see what's inside this box right here. Oh, that's a power charger right here. Power brick. This is a big boy right here. What's the wattage on this thing? And it kind of. Oh, this is nice. Blah 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 blah. Yada yada yada. I ain't gonna pay no time for that. What else comes inside the box of this thing? That's pretty much it. No cords. I mean, no HDMI cords. No extra special stuff. Just that and a booklet. All right. But I like this though. This is very nice, very sleek, very simple. And again, this is a used product from Best Buy, the Geek Squad crew, excellent condition. So let us get it out the sleeve right here. This case is nice. This case reminds me of the Asus ROG Ally case. Very nice. Got a nice handle, can walk with it. Striking similarity. Got the description of the device right here on the sleeve. All right, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. Aha. Oh dang, yep, you can tell it was used because this has got fingerprints all over this bad boy here. But check this out. Ooh, this thing is huge. Got the fingerprint stuff all over it. I don't even got nothing to. Okay, find something. Let me just try to wipe this fingerprints off this bad boy here. Wow, it feels very good in the hands. Wow, this looks nice. Beautiful screen. Let me see if there's any microfiber scratches on it. No, so far. See a little light, see a little hole right here. I think this is probably some sensor. I don't know what it is. It looks like a little sensor right here, but it's not bad at all. See, got like a tape right here over the trackpad. So I'm just clean off a little bit, but it looks good. Looks good. Nice. Okay, let's check it out right here. This right here got the vents to dissipate the heat, and I believe these are the speakers, if I'm not mistaken. And I don't like the way the speaker is right there to the back. It's kind of weird. And on top, you got the volume down, volume up, the USB Type C, the TF card. No, this is not TF. You can put the micro SD card right in here. Expandable storage, 3.5mm headphone jack, power button right here with the kind of looks like the Legion logo. On the bottom, you got another Type C. This thing feels very darn good in the hands. And I believe this right here inside the case, this little thing right here is where you detach the joy detach this thing right here, and you can use it as your mouse thing. I'm not going to use it. I don't even care for that stuff anyway. That's for people that do FPS games, first FPS, what they want to call it. But one thing I can say for sure, it's very simple in design. And like I said, whoever had this, they didn't do nothing much to it. It looks pretty good still. Geek. So like I said, if you don't have to spend the big money to get it brand new, just go on the website, look for it for cheap, use, and you're good. And the kickstand feels darn good. It feels very robust. Good quality hinges right here. You can see good quality hinges. With the thousands of uses up and down, this thing ain't gonna break for a while. This is top quality stuff. For each hinge, you got 3 screws, got the FCS, E support, all that stuff right here. This kind of feels like the Microsoft Surface when it just came out, but more premium. Tell the controller right here, you got a nice textile grip right here in the back for the mappable buttons right here. This is a I1, I2. This button you're going to use to detach your controllers. M1, M2, like a mouse wheel. I don't even care for those things anyway. And in the back, you see you got the fans right here. It's only one fan. And you got 6 screws in the back, which I'm going to screw down later on in the next video to update the storage. But this is a nice product. It's very nice. It kind of reminds me of the first handheld I used, the Sega Game Gear. That was a big boy, but this is huge. I wish I had the ROG Ally to compare in size, but this is a big boy. 8.8-inch screen. Got the buttons right here. The buttons feel good. Unlike the ROG Ally, the buttons right here feel more plump. They feel more solid. The Asus ROG Ally feels it looks good, but it feels so flimsy and soft. All the buttons feel good right here. All these buttons feel good right here. So let's just see if it have any juice. First thing first. Boom. Oh, I like that right there. That looks good. Screen looks bright already. I like this. And I like the case that it comes in. It's a beautiful case. So if you can't wait to get it, because for some of these models right here, the shipping date goes back to like 2 or 3 weeks. But if you keep checking on Best Buy website, they probably got some people returning it and you got for use. You can get it in a couple days. For me, I bought it so I could get it on my birthday, so I have to pay the extra $40 for expedite shipping. But it was worth the wait. Look at this bad boy right here. It's doing this boot up stuff. So once it boot up, I'm gonna end this video. So I got it boot up. It's a very simple process, and I just had to take these off. Just to give it a try. These things are very, very, very lightweight. It's like there's nothing there at all. It's like there's no weight to it. I like the way it feels. It feels like it feels hollow inside. The only thing, I don't know, I'm not a fan of this thing right here because maybe I'm not the FPS kind of person. I'm just a regular casual gamer. But the only thing I don't like, which I maybe have to go into the settings and check, is that everything is in reverse order. I turn to the right, it goes to the left. Turn to the left, it goes to the right. Turn up, it goes down. Go down, it goes up. Maybe I have to go into the settings and adjust the mouse and controls. I don't like this one bit. But it's very, very fluid and the screen is sharp. This, I don't know, man. This screen is beautiful. It looks very, very good. Like I said, I'm gonna enjoy my birthday with this thing, and then when I have some more information, I'm gonna do some more videos on this thing right here. Like I'm gonna do some upgrades and accessories and stuff. But so far, I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. And one thing I'm impressed about the sleeve that it comes in, it gives you all the information about it. The game, control of FPS, the manual, you can connect it to your Legion monitor if you got a monitor or whatnot. This is a pretty simple, straightforward device. Looks just like the whatchamacallit, the Nintendo Switch. And you can hear the fan already. The fan is it's not too loud. I'm gonna bring my microphone closer so you can hear. Yeah, that's what it sounds. Because I'm doing some software update. The thing about it is, it's not like the Legion. I mean, the ROG Ally, where you're gonna do some software updates because of Windows and it takes a while. This thing boot up pretty quick. And like I said, I'm not a fan of these things right here. I would probably just get one of those regular mouse, but this will do the job. And the button placement is kind of weird. You can see right here, it's okay. You got the wheel. I can see if when you're playing, you may have some issues because you got these extra buttons on the side, which don't make no sense. You're gonna end up clicking the wrong buttons from time to time. But overall, I think you're gonna take it a while to get used to. Anybody get a new device like this, so I'm not gonna downplay it yet, because just like with every new device, things take time. So you gotta give it time to update with things, just like with the ROG Ally. But so far, I'm impressed with the brightness of the screen, the colors, everything does pop. It's beautiful so far. So let me go ahead and just do some updates. I'm going to fool around with this for a couple days, and I'll put out some more videos about this device right here. All right. Happy birthday to me. Thanks for tuning into ETG. See you in the next video. Peace.